Hi everyone, welcome back to Ken's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken chop suey, flavorful chicken stir fry with colorful vegetables and a delicious sauce. You can make better than Chinese restaurants and take out at home. We'll start with the chicken. Thinly sliced chicken breast so it cook quickly and stay nice and juicy. For the marinade, we'll add a little soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, and a touch of baking soda. This simple mix helps the chicken tender and flavorful. Give it a good mix and set it aside the marinade while we prepare everything else. Now let's move on to the sauce. In a small bowl, combine light soy sauce, a bit of dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little sugar, and a splash of water. In a separate bowl, mix a teaspoon of cornstarch with a little water to create a slurry. This will help thicken the sauce later on. Set both aside. Next, it's time to prepare the vegetables. Slice some carrots and also slice some baby corn. Snap off the end tips and remove the string. Slice some onions. Now cut the white part of spring onions into half, then cut it into 2-inch pieces. You will also need to prepare fresh minced garlic and ginger. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Start by adding the carrots and baby corn. Stir fry them just for about 30 seconds. These take a little longer to cook. Then add the snow peas and sliced onions, stir frying everything together for a minute or so. Just tender but still crisp. Once done, remove the vegetables from the pan and set them aside for later. Now it's time for the chicken. Add a little more oil to the same pan. Add minced garlic and ginger and saute for a few seconds until fragrant. Then toss in your marinated chicken. Stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's about 80% cooked through. We want it nearly done but not overcooked. Now let's pour the delicious sauce we made earlier. At this point, bring back the vegetables and also the bean sprouts. Toss everything to make sure the chicken and veggies are nicely coated. Then add the cornstarch slurry and follow with the spring onions. Give it a good stir and cook for another minute or so until the sauce is glossy. To finish it off, drizzle a bit of sesame oil over the top and that's it. Chinese chicken chop suey is done in under 20 minutes. Serve it over a bed of steamed rice or noodle. It's simple and satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And drop a comment below letting me know which stir fry you want to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.